Hi everybody, my name's Adele from Splosh and we are beyond excited to introduce you to our highly anticipated homewares range, Flourish. With beautiful on-trend designs, think wild natives, romantic cursive text and wooden elements with a light pastel colour palette. There is a wide variety of products for every customer type with updates on our best-selling verses and magnets. Key pieces included in this range are the 5 canvas wall art options, 3D frames, a family recipe journal and recipe box, and 10 new verses. My personal favourites would have to be the Love and Happy kitchen canisters, the gold trinket flower, and the peach vases. There are 181 pieces in the range. You can purchase as a starter pack or select individual items. The Flourish Homewares range is available now and will add a modern touch to any room and bring a sense of peace to any space. You can order online or through your area sales manager, and we hope you love it as much as we do.